We often think of the Matrix as some external trap, a system out there controlling us. But the truth is more unsettling. The Matrix isn't out there. It's inside of you. It's in the beliefs you inherited as a child, the cultural stories you were told, the phrases your parents repeated, the rules society engraved in your mind. Don't be too confident. We can't afford that. You're not that kind of person. Tiny lines of code, whispered again and again, until they became your default operating system. And without realizing it, you began to run a simulation. A program that filters what you notice, shapes the choices you believe are possible, and decides which opportunities you'll even recognize. That's the Matrix. Not science fiction, but a mental software environment. Fear runs in the background as an invisible engine. Habits conserve energy by repeating the familiar. Society mirrors back predictable reactions, confirming your script and reinforcing the illusion that this is just the way life is. But here's the breakthrough. Just like software, code can be edited. Beliefs can be rewritten. And when you begin to debug your own system, reality itself begins to shift. The first step is awareness. See the screen. Notice the recurring thoughts. Ask, whose voice is this? Is this really mine, or just something I downloaded years ago? Once visible, a belief loses its power to control you. The second step is revision. When an old memory or painful moment replays in your mind, don't just watch it. Step back into it, not as the victim, but as the director. Rewrite the scene. Feel the calm, the clarity, the resolution that should have been there. That new emotional imprint updates the code, dissolving the old instructions that kept you trapped. The third step is embodiment. Don't just imagine who you want to be. Live as if it's already done. Walk with the confidence of your future self. Speak from clarity. Make choices from abundance, not fear. Your nervous system learns by repetition, and the world responds to the frequency you carry. This process isn't about forcing reality to bend. It's about aligning your inner script so the outer stage naturally rearranges itself. Small practices anchor this shift. 5 minutes of silence each morning to watch your thoughts. One nightly revision of a moment you wish had gone differently. A short daily journal entry written in the present tense, as if your dream has already happened. These aren't lofty rituals. They are scaffolding for a new life. Over time, the simulation loses its grip. What once felt like fate begins to look like code. And code can always be rewritten. You don't need to escape the Matrix. You need to outgrow it. And that begins the moment you stop being just a character in the story and claim your role as the author. So let me ask you, if the Matrix is only running inside your mind, what code will you choose to write next?